Hi, student researcher. Welcome back from your research travel. Congratulations on what we hope was a very useful experience for you. Now that you're back, there are a few things you need to do. First, you're going to need to complete the rest of this module. You're also going to need to complete the survey that is part of this module. As part of that survey, you'll need to upload documentation of your research or creative activity. This might be a PowerPoint presentation, a poster file, photos, whatever you have that can document your experience. Now that you're back, you'll need to meet with Betty Ortiz to complete the reimbursement process. You're going to need to do this within 4 weeks after you travel. If you wait more than 4 weeks, we can't guarantee that you're going to be reimbursed or reimbursed in a timely manner. When you meet Betty, you'll need to bring all original receipts with you and a copy of the program or the agenda from the conference if that's applicable to your situation. You'll recall that student research is located in Broome Library, room 1740. In order to get into Betty's office, you'll go into 1740 and then go to room 1742. You should have already been here to fill out your pre-travel paperwork. In case you've forgotten, that's what Betty's office looks like. You have reached the end of this tutorial. Please move on to completing the survey.